welcome back, and I'm back with another video about crystal. So many of you were very much curious and wanted to know more about crystal. So today I just thought of taking a good interactive session about crystal, something new and something more creative than usual ones. So you might ask me, what is special on this? Yes, there is something more special and more interesting to be known by you guys. Peoples like me who's suffering from severe dark circles and wrinkle problem will definitely feel this would be useful. And after these lockdowns, many of you people started using more phones and start getting more under eye. So this product will also help you to prevent your under eye and reduce your under eye as well. We are spending lot of money to buy more products in our market to get rid of this kind of under eye as well as eye puffiness and wrinkles under our eyes. But there's an amazing product which has been not shown by anyone till now, which I have found quite interest to show you guys. So let me show the products first, and I'll just explain you how to use them and what are the direction to be used. The product which I'm taken is the under eye serum from Butterfly Beauty Bliss. This helps you to reduce your under eye, gives you a good refreshment to your eye as well as reduce your wrinkles under your eye. So you can just see a visible difference on usage of 1 month with one important tool which as I already told you guys. This is called Mushroom Rose Quartz. We were having this product quite long time, but many of you guys were not knowing how to use this. So today I just thought of making a usage video on how to use this. So this will be little interesting as well. As usual, not telling more about rollers, tree, crystals. This will be quite interesting. So let's directly go into the video and see how to use this and what benefit it really gives you while using it. So before starting your eye care routine, make sure that you're supposed to tie all your hair and your hair not supposed to disturb your routine work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a very little amount of this under eye serum and apply it on my under eye area. And look at the structure of the serum. It's semi-liquid consistency. It's not so jelly based or it's not so liquid based. It's on semi-liquid consistency, and I love using it on my under eye area because it gets absorbed instantly. So before it get absorbed, I'm going to just start using my magical tool, and this is the tool which I'm going to use to massage my under eye. So it has both the sides. I'm going to use the smaller size because I have a very small eyes, so I just thought of going with the smaller side. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to place this on this particular point, give a light pressure, and then start moving it upwards. Again give a pressure and then start moving it downwards. You're supposed to repeat this kind of motion for 5 times in each side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing you're supposed to repeat on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this seems to be little harder on your skin, but it isn't, because it has a very smooth layer which gives you a very gentle massage. It won't hurt your skin, it won't hurt your eyes. It gives you a good refreshment, and you can also use this on the fridge. Keep this on the fridge and use it. It gives you a very good relaxation and also reduce your eye puffiness. And you can use this also for your body pains, like you can use it like this in a rotational motion. If you are having a pain on that particular place, you can just apply your ointment and give a very gentle massage in this particular motion. So it gives you an instant pain relief. And if you're a person who has a severe headache or you're suffering from sinus, any problems, you can use this to give a good massage over here. And if you're having migraine problems, you often get headache, then definitely this will help you, because people like me, I used to ask my mom and dad to help me out to give a good massage on my head. But if they're not doing, I got a perfect solution to do something. This will help me. So what I'm going to do is just give a pressure on the pressure point of your head, then just drag it towards your bottom. Again, place it here, drag it. It helps to improve your blood circulation, and also it helps you to promote a very good blood circulation on the particular places. So I have placed it on this particular place, so that this is the midpoint of my head, and I'm going to just drag it towards this side. Similarly, what I did is I placed it on this particular place, and I have given a gentle massage in this motion. And like this anti-clockwise motion, you're supposed to use 5 times on this motion, and then on clockwise. So you're supposed to repeat this kind of method 5 times per side. And also you can use this on your face in this kind of manner. Go in a round motion. You're not supposed to go downwards, you're supposed to go upwards. Only then your cheeks goes up or it gets down. And if you're having double cheeks, you can use it like this to get rid of your double cheeks. And make sure that you're supposed to apply any kind of serum or cream before using this, because if you're not applying them, you won't feel kind of smooth movement. You may feel a kind of rough movement on your skin. That's it for today, and hope this video is quite interesting for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know your feedback on the below section, so that it helps me to make more video for you guys. And see you back with some interesting and more beautiful tips about crystals, about skincare as well. So please don't forget to leave your comment below. Only then I make more video for you guys. Bye bye, good night, take care.